Hello traders, hello investors, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's see Tesla's price action today. Tesla is going up nearly 2% right now. However, it is in a crystal clear, critical key point at this moment. It feels like the 198, this black line over here, is working as a resistance on Tesla, which is quite normal because it did work as a support level in the past. And according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis, previous support levels are going to work as future resistance and vice versa. So right now, the stakes are quite high on Tesla because if it fails in breaking this resistance, the bear trend will just resume. Remember, Tesla is still in a bear trend. However, what if we break the 198? Is there any chance that Tesla is going to reverse this bear trend? Yes, there is. I'm going to give you guys more details. First, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Now, the stakes are quite high. I find quite curious that the volume on Tesla is decreasing over here. So Tesla is just a little bit weak at this point. I don't see a true, fantastic, amazing sell-off in Tesla because of this volume, at least in the short term. I do agree that all the bad catalysts surrounding Tesla right now, like the Twitter deal, like China, etc., these things are causing some pressure on Tesla. Therefore, Tesla is consistently underperforming the market, while SPY is clearly above the EMA, breaking resistances. QQQ also broke the previous resistance over here. It is above the EMA as well. Tesla is not. Tesla is still in a bear trend. But short-term speaking, Tesla has decent chances of recovering, but it has to break the most important resistance level right now at this moment, which is 198. Today, we did a decent attempt of breaking the 198. However, we failed miserably. What this means, if we analyze the monthly chart, the candlestick is still bearish. In addition, we just hit a critical support level, which is the 179, which is Tesla's fair value, fundamentally speaking. So the 179 is a dual support level made by technicals and fundamentals. Technically speaking, this is March's support level over here. In the weekly chart, we can see that this point is a dual support level made by March's low, March 2021's low, and by this purple trend line down here. So it is about time for Tesla to react. Okay, this reaction was totally expected right now at this moment. However, in the daily chart, it feels like we have yet to break the 198 in order to avoid a more apocalyptic scenario on Tesla that could lead it to the next support level, which is around 124.27, all right, which is around 127, 130 area. So this is the next support level on Tesla. In order to avoid this bearish scenario, we gotta react right now at this key point over here, and Tesla is reacting. Tesla is trying to react. Right now, it feels to me that the only thing missing is breaking 198. All right, so this is the most important key resistance level on Tesla. And yes, before I forget about it, remember, my dear friends, check my website if you want to keep in touch with my premium analysis. We are swing traders. We can consistently beat the market. Our philosophy, our trading, investing methodology is of a swing trader. We are not necessarily buy and holders. Of course, there are some investments that we could and we must hold them for the long run. However, we believe that the swing trading strategy we use is the ideal to beat the market, and we can consistently make money on it. We are the living proof of that. Check our track record. My website is in the description of this video. Because, guys, why do I say this? Because, for instance, if you bought Tesla one and a half year ago, you would be losing money. Okay, so we are the living proof that doing an active management, we can consistently make money. And this is our main goal. We are here to make money, all right? And to show to you guys that the market is not a stressful environment in any way, we can calmly, peacefully make money in this market using our strategy. No emotions need, no stress required. It is possible. Just check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Let's avoid losing money over here. Now, oh yes, in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, I didn't see this. I confess that I didn't see this up until today, today morning. I was aware that Tesla was triggering this inverted head and shoulders, right? It did trigger, and Tesla did reverse the trend. We are doing higher highs, higher lows in the 1 hour chart. So in theory, Tesla is going to recover over here and break the black line at 198. However, right now it feels to me that Tesla is doing a bearish flag. So we are at again another critical support level in the 1 hour chart, and by losing this purple trend line along with the 21 EMA, Tesla is going to trigger this bearish flag. So this means that Tesla is going to lose this key support level in the weekly chart and retest 127? Well, not necessarily, but at least it is going to frustrate completely this inverted head and shoulders and any other bullish thesis we want to build on Tesla right now in the short term at least. This is going to be very frustrating. So Tesla has to react as soon as possible, preferably right now at this moment. So if we see a good reaction and if Tesla breaks 198 tomorrow, okay, that's fantastic. The bull trend will resume and Tesla will probably do a reversal in the midterm as well. But right now, we gotta pay attention to this support level, to this dual support level made by the EMA in the daily chart, in the 1 hour chart, and by the purple trend line down here as well, which is the baseline of this flag chart pattern. So Tesla must not lose this flag downwards. If it does, it is going to probably frustrate the bullish thesis for a while at least. Maybe you're going to try to retest the next support levels below the 200. I mean, we are already below the 200, but around $186 down here or $82, something around this neighborhood. This is a very, very plausible scenario and we should pay attention to this. Either way, by losing today's low tomorrow, triggering this shooting star candlestick pattern just under this key resistance, it is not gonna mean good thing for Tesla. So we gotta pay attention to these support levels, to these signs Tesla is giving us in the 1 hour and in the daily chart. If we see a correction, I think Tesla is going to retest the 177 in the daily chart in the worst case scenario. Of course, in the worst case scenario in the short term, because the worst case scenario in the midterm is losing this dual support level in the weekly chart. This means, again, 127. I'm not working with this possibility right now at this moment, but we gotta keep this in mind. So Tesla has to react as soon as possible. If it does, great. Either way, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So are you still watching this video and you didn't click on the like button? What the hell are you doing? You probably liked the content, so seriously, click on the like button, subscribe this channel, check my website, the link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.